blasting through the bosses, chat.
Hi,
So
guys.
so just skip this boss. That's how fast we're gonna do this. Okay, this is the real display. I
Baba.
actually won first.
Darkness
First
akin.
ready too. Oh, I have to make
Baba.
this. Okay, stay. Get it, go.
Ay, hindi pala. Ano na lang. Devil.
D.
I'm the devil.
You know,
Lava iyo.
that's a
Sino ako? Piren na ako, Piren.
Let's go.
Devil ako.
Time pala ako tayo.
Wah!
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 I don't know. Oh, 200K. That's crazy. Oh my god, and there it is. Space 2. This one. Try it. Get it. I got it. Back to the box. Spin for me. Shit. Alright, there we go. Sumeru.
Tatlo lang ba tayo dito?
I can right now with this whale. I'm not a whale. I'm free to play. Can you stop accusing me of things that I'm not of? Like, you can accuse me of being handsome, tall. This is one face. Let's go. One face.
Yung ganitong gagawin.
No! Come on. So close. Get it? Nice. Good job. Deforestation. Relax, dude. It's in the desert. It's already deforested. Fontaine. Will Tuba actually make it to one attack? We'll see. Oh, it's going to be vaporized, and it's dead. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, Christ. Oh. Kind of good. Okay. Looking good. It's over here. Spin. I'll do it with a bang. Oh, I think you guys killed it. Nice, good job. That land, 2 left. Configuration device, let's go. Now go. Alright, go.
My screen.
Oh my god, the resistance actually crazy. The resistance this thing has is crazy, though. Climb up, dice broken, get it. It's weakened. Go. Ooh, all achievement as
Why you die?
I'm here.
This one is not bad, I think.
I'm time.
For like 2 attacks. Yes.
Don't ult me, ah.
Infinite fuel. Okay, I'm done. Ooh, and
Hindi.
it's Hydro as well. Don't waste your E on it. Go. Happy. Oh, that's it. No, that's it.
Hoy!
Kill it, though.
Legit!
Good job. First, just like 3
Wait lang. Wala pa ako eh.
Yeah, so 3, 2, 1. So I have a good feeling. We can kill both at the same time, surely. Imagine with once alone, I can easily break 500K. Once alone, break 500K. Lolly, I can easily break.
Both.
It's got to be like 1.3 mil. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Both at the same time.
We
3, 2,
both
1. Oh
die.
god. Okay, we can't do it. Okay, never mind. Okay, hold on. Don't go in there. Don't go.
Paano yung mabilis, Daichi?
No! I got it, Shane. I got
Daichi,
it. Guys, what did I tell you guys?
paano yung mabilis na ano?
The damage is insane, though. Oh my god, the damage is so
Daichi.
insane. Sumeru, Weena, you know what? I don't even care
Ayan
about the
pala.
Weena. Give me the Weena. Weena, you nut. Let's just all nut. Ultimate speedrun character right here. Alright, let's go. Spin. Keep spinning. I'm not stopping. I got it! I knocked it down with the slash! Holy shit! Fontaine, let's go. Speedrunning. It's time. I'm locked in. Seahorse. I don't even care. I'll just take everything. We're off to a rocky start, but now I'm locked in. Okay, I'm
Oh
locked
my
in.
god.
You see how locked in I am? Break the Corolla, maybe? Break the Corolla. Be careful.
Oh.
God! We're here.
Ano yun, boss?
Oo.
You know what? It's all up to you, team. Team, do damage! I believe! I'm so proud of my
Let's
team.
defeat
Oh
the
my
boss.
God,
Let's
look
defeat
at
the
them
boss.
go. Look at how many circles they're doing. Oh, 1 down, but it's fine. There's 2 more. There's 2 circles just like
Nakalapit na yung gabi?
Yes.
Good job. The last one of that. This is
Oo
actually
kaya.
crazy. Makuika's artifacts are not even that
This is
good.
so
Like, Makuika's artifacts are really subpar. Let's be fair, I have C6, so that means that's for everything, right? It's for
No!
Oh! Legit! Wala kasing Ofan! Legit ah.
Kaya yun yung ano?
Alright, let's go!
You're so ano.
Good job. Natland done. Why is that here? The belts?
Wala ba nalit yung boss?
Naaway mo yun.
Fair Swanee's pretty tanky. Okay, Swanee
Pamatay
hurts.
yun.
If you get combo, you die. We're a level 9 Swanee, 1 attack, you're dead. Without shields, without heal, you're dead.
Oy!
With 70k HP, watch out. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good chill. Yeah, let's chill until Swanee does his first.
Don't worry.
Here we go.
Here.
I got it.
Oh my god.
Watch out.
Mamatay pala ako.
Spin. One more spin. We got this. One more attack. Oh,
Nagalit siya kapag
God.
pinapatay siya. Anong gagawin namin sa'yo?
Just get it. So close to 1 rotation before it does its small thing, but it's fine. Inazuma, 1 Inazuma boss left. Dude, the bosses die so fast, I keep forgetting the counter. Wait, I need heal. Oh, fuck, it's fine.
Wala!
Let's
Uy,
go.
umita ka
Right,
na.
Here we go. 30. Don't try to win. Okay, let's go. Ooh, spit. Stop. Oh my god, it's literally died before he can do anything. Oh my god, watch a walk. Dodge. I dodged.
Galing ng important.
I dodged. I even timed it. I was like, dodge the wall. How did I die? it's all up to you. You know, you don't need
Yes!
believe my team.
Tayo na siya.
Ooh, draw those circles.
Yes!
Draw those circles. Draw those. It's fine. It's fine. Break number 4. Break. Go back in. Go.
I defeated him.
No, what's going on? No, I swear, did I dodge? No shot's gonna reset 20. No way. Show me those circles. Swear. Swear. No, don't face the front. Get it. Circles. Let's go. Good job. Good job. Very nice. All right, Imazuma done. Oh, Sumeru. Sumeru's running low as well. Aximon. Aximon's very easy. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Did it. Oh my god, it's dying for a shirt. It's drawing a circle. But we're also drawing circles. And it's gone. That was like, what, a 20-second fight? Fontaine, last one. Capellius. I think DC again, by the way. They weren't here. Oh, they're all here. Fuck the shit. That was perfect. Let's just reenact that exact same fight, okay? Oh, everybody wasted. Okay, no, it's not now. Not the time to draw circles. Okay, now it's time. Draw them circles. Draw the circles. Oh god, watch out. I'm scared. I don't want to do it. I'm not doing it. Okay, get it. Got it. I sacrificed myself. Get him. Good job. Boss out of here, boss.
They cheated! No!
What an unpractical piece of clothing.
You ha?
Darius. Be careful, it's doing its thing. They're not doing its thing. I'm scared.
If
He's like walking
if
around.
you hold me without hurting me,
It just decides to dodge it.
you'll
That's
be
fine. Oh,
the
second base.
first
Shit,
to
I'm
understand.
so locked in. You
This
know I'm not
is
saying anything? It's because I'm like so locked in because I'm like spinning, but I also have to dodge.
Ay, naku,
Oh my
Daichi.
god, that was me. That was me.
No,
That's my
ah.
thing. Chicken time. Get it.
Hey!
Oh my god, I'm spinning, but at what cost? My HP really hurts. Oh god, I got it. Leave it to me. Nice. 31 bosses, let's go. Alright,
Ano yung
experimental field generator, the last one. Alright, after the next one, every other nation other than Montenegro will just get 30-minute fight chat. Do you guys think we can genuinely finish this before 30 minutes? Here we go. I can't say anything. But let me just do this anyway. Doing it. I jumped in at the wrong time. The one but Wika! Dodge the rocks! Go in! Spin! Let's go! Good job. Hard, okay? It's a hard boss, okay? One of the Genshin Impacts. 4 nations done. Mondstadt leader left. So let's go. GOP. Why?
Yeah.
Why are you
Haha.
swimming?
Aba, bawi-bawi. Inano mo
What?
kanina?
Your bike is supposed to run on water. One phase.
No.
Maybe. Quick break the pillar, because I feel like the
not.
pillar is gonna out one phase. Well, okay, break the pillar. Broken. 1E first. Let's go. Boom. 300k.
Yeah.
Let's go, and it's down. Nice. And that is it. Pyro Regify. God, my sword is so cool looking.
Why
I can't
do
get
I
over
think
how
they
cool my
mentioned
sword looks. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, the HP still goes down so fast. Holy shit. Everything is red. I can't see. I can't tell what's going on. Literally everything is red. I can't see. Am I getting hit? Is it getting hit? I'm dead. I got it. Alright, next one. What will it be? Will Ocean it be last? Close. Get him. Oh my god, they're dead. Oh my god. Is that my E or your E? Oh, the stall is gonna take a minute. Get these ones. Get the girls. Got it. Flying butt. This one will be over before 30 minutes. Okay, do it. Got it. Oh my god,
Paano ba
40
ito?
seconds
Dimension na to.
to do a Nemo Cube. A Nemo Cube also kind of stalls, so it's kind of insane. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Go! Get it! No! Get it! Alright, that's...
Oh my god.
Motherfucker, it's stalling! I gotta done it before 30. Okay, I'm gonna end you with a bang. And bang.
No! Yes. Yes ka dyan. Yes ka dyan. Demon Hall. Ahahaha. Where are you? Where are you, Uni?
Wait lang, huwag mo kayo. Wait lang, tignan mo nga kung nawawala ako dito.
Medyo.
Hindi nga kasi, hindi ko nga alam kung paano to. Wait lang ha. Tignan mo ha. Maglalagay ako ha. Mawawala ako?
Oo.
Eh,
Ayan.
Ganun pala.
Bumili ka ng ano? Damit?
Ha?
Bumili ka ng damit?
Big game. Linokos?
Siyempre, time yan.
Bakit ko, guys? Ano ba?
Kasi labanan mo nga kuya mo.
Okay na. Wait, flash mode.
If you hope, maybe those words be the first to left you. This thing, someone.
Kapatihan kong aking bayan ng pinanoon. Magsilabasan kayo! I have played these games before.
This thing, someone. Like all this day. If you hold me away, like rhythm, and feel the first.
Okay, tayo lang kaya.
Dark Die! Oh! Upig! Grabe! Ahaha! Hindi, magtulungan na lang natin si Daichi. Hey, that's cheating. Ay, hindi ako makatalon. Ba yan?
Ang OP talaga ng time.
Dapat nag-time na nga lang.
Oras. Dapat ako yung decision ko na oras. Mahalaga ang oras.
What? Distance on the
May pets kayo?
What do you want, Daichi?
Pero pet yung tao.
Ano yun? Would you like?
Ano? Hindi. Tabo.
Ano?
Yung may iyo.
Ayan, Daichi, it's your chance. Why? Sabotage mo, kuya mo. Sabotage him. These things are not.
Yes.
What are you being? Hey, that's... Ayun! Wala pa akong maayos na ano eh.
Yes!
Sino yun?
Richie, yung open mo siya nga doon.
Ano yan? Laba kasi.
Ay,
V1! No. Si Daichi! Ano ba yan? Daichi ha? Pag kaya nag-change ako ng ano? Pag kaya nag-change ako? Hindi, mag-change ako ng ano. Wait lang ha. Rejoin ako.
yes! Off na rin, Richie. Off na rin. Date yung final boss. Boss sa amin.
Ano kayang mapili today?
Yan, sa baba nga. Yan, sige, talunin mo yan. Malakas ka, di ba? Ano yan? Let's yun natin natin. Dali, tara, tara, tara. Tara. Talunin natin yun. Ah, let's go.
Noob pa ako, guys, ha? Don't try.
Ay, naku naman. Sabi mo lang walang awayan eh. Sige na, sige na.
Legit, wag ako, ha? Wala pa ako. Bago pa lang ako! Maglilib ako, bahala ka.
Report on native.
Report nga, report.
IPC SNX.
Sige, ano? Makakabawi ka? May laban ka? Wala. Kasi,
Devices 80 UL 1254, 80 UL 1255.
Both to band, Lechi.
Available from Mount Electronics. Our 2-channel ICs for ITC dealer.
Uy, wala pa nga ako sabi. Baban ko kayo dalawa. Yes. Baban ko kayong dalawa.
While the 8 UL 1255 has either direction of auction application.
Wala pa nga ako eh.
No need for auction.
Wala. Lobat.
Both devices have independent 2.25 to 5.5 inch.
Hey, don't.
Writing application flexibility.
Kaya yung dalawa.
mas na yung sinusolo yung boss.
Also have special buttons on side 1.
Tulungan. Di ba malakas kayong dalawa? Di ba malakas kayo?
Hot swapping is supported with pre-charging the side 2 and waiting for bus idle stop states to complete the connection.
If you hold me without hurting me, feel the first will ever be.
Yes! My money. Mine. 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 Not yours. Mine.
Kapareho.
No, you're not. You're going to die a horrible death. What, Lechi?
Lechi nga din akin. Lechi, huwag kang magtago dyan sa ano ko. Dito ka ba? Hindi ba?
Wala, patayin.
Oh.
Eto.
Ah. Funny ka dyan.
Angas mo naman to.
No! Si Lechi talaga! Ah! Ah!
Pinakamala yung dito pa kayo. Dito ang ano, bakas na paling babi o.
These things I want to say.
Sige, sige. Huwag mo ako. Ako ha?
If you hold me without hurting me, you will return so everything.
Mama, mental body.
No. No. No! Wait. I knew. And if you hold me without hurting me, you will return so everything.
Yes! Oh, that's what you thought, huh? That's what you thought. Save the best for last.
O ano to? Bebenta na po ng lupa, property. Pero, wala. Lahat eh. Cemetery. Wala ka buhay. Mukhang matanda na black and white. Kung tayo na po eh. Ito po. Galing mo. Picture.
Wala kang perka.
Ito po. Wala. Kasi dito po. Wala kasi.
Si Daichi ang inaabot ko.
Yeah. Allowance.
Bakit ako ka?
Nag-auto tayo.
Pumunta ko siya ni Datay.
Balik na lang money. Bahala kayo dyan magpatayo. Kailangan ko ng money.
Dito, bukod na sa kundi yung
Fine.
sa tulog.
If you're
Alam
alone,
mo, sa tito, importance natin. Since na naman tayo.
see the fire. Drifting from this way to
Alam mo, pag nakakamat conscience natin, ano kung wala lahat, pwede natin. Sinulit mo na ba? Alam mo, nag-effort tayo. Bumabagsak na tayo din.
Okay, hindi nyo na matataas yung pambahay ito. Hindi na kayo makakataas.
Oh, no. Dito, bago tayo pumasok.
Madaya kayo ha. Madaya kayo ha. Ako ang king ng hall. Ng hill.
Daichi! Gawichi! Pangisang! Gochi!
Sayawan. Ako pa kasali sayawan. Naghahanap ito. Kaibigan na dadaling sa Korea. France. Ang kaibigan na nakakanta ka.
Sorry.
Kaibigan na siyang star. Kaibigan pareho na apat. Maganda. At si Sir alam
Ang open ito eh.
apat.
Okay.
Wala namang
Chat
kinata
and-
kung sport mo kasi hindi pa nila nakita. Dalawa ka na sila.
Kahit
Shot ka talaga, Joy.
Ha?
Shot talaga.
Palo.
Kahit ako hindi umalis sa bahay ko eh. Okay nga ako ano. Eh.
Hindi naman nila nakakain na tayo. Sorry. Alin mo. Artista may kaso. Kaya nakatakot ng mask.
If you hold me without hurting me,
Nilayo mo ba kagabi?
you'll be the first who ever did.
Pagsiksik ko, ako lang. Ano rin mga kuda? Ano kuda?
Dad, where are you, Dad?
Ano sa bahay? Ikaw,
Dad, baba!
Paano? Siguro yung mga sagot ko na ukol sa search na.
Madaya si Daichi, may ganun na.
Sige, paputuin ko to ng bomba. O, ayan. Sige. O, ayan. O, ano? Sige, subukan mo. Yeah, outside job.
Swerte yung dalawa.
Sige, isa pa. O, dalawa yan ha. O. Ito, sabi ko ako.
Sa coordinator. Serious na serious ang mga
Ito naman si Gami, makasali.
Ang ina ng mga kamay ng akin.
Bakit? Pero hindi ka makakatakot. Stop! Eh, medyo may light. Kaya,
Medyo kilim nga.
okay na ako. Okay.
Ang naman mga napupunta sa akin, ano. Obos.
Hindi yung buka na. Stop! Pero, tuloy pa rin. Ang bait ng friendship namin. Hanggang makuha ko na. Mamit ang kapareho. Si Vito, sa saranggan sa bar.
Sige, binabaril mo ako eh.
Alaman niya eh. Papatayin ko sa agent.
Yes! Muni!
Ever do.
Bagay na itibigay. Ako kasi tao masiyahin. Gusto ko rin, masiyahin. Sa palagay ko, itong si Slick na baseball at Chuck Richard Gomez, baka kasabay pa sa kahit saan na. Baka hindi mauna to eh. Ha? Baka mauna to. Baka magunahan pa
Bit mode. Bit mode.
Tapos alam po ako ni Gabo. Kahit ka nga, basta nga ko nun.
Sila to si Marita.
Laban natin yung Giant Noob.
Sabi,
Pero hindi tayo ha. Tayo magpapatayan.
Yeah.
Noob.
understand.
Sana pala.
Oo.
Ano na no?
Shit na outside. Yabot.
Hala. Kaya? Kaya ate Maria. Gatas na kikilo. Oo, namatay. Nga lang, iiba ulit ako. Pangit ng dark na yun. Kaya mo na. Kilo. Balag. Kakabata.
Walang bad. Only mine.
Ito na yung hinihintay mo ngayong first one. Dirty, maganda ba kapag fire?
Wag. Yan, yarin mo nga sipunin mo.
Ano nga kilala?
Yung kabantay ng ano, time.
Madami talagang kabantay.
Ano?
Gravity tech.
Gravity. Kaya hindi.
Ayoko baka hindi masakit yun.
Time gravity, isa lang to. May mo kare.
Eh, diba? Pag hindi yan.
Yung nagsuka sa ako.
Detective mo.
Kaya.
Salam. Special. Isa lang dapat. Yeah! Bahay! Hugas na hugas. Oo, mataba. Ako pa rin yung, king of
Dare you!
Pwede, malinis to.
Magsimagaling sa
Talaga si Jay.
Sunday.
Why you die? Sobra. Die!
Sabay. Or so you thought. I'm actually outside and you're gonna die.
Why you die? Why you die?
Yes.
Parang hindi maganda 'to.
Pwede na mo na i-strike mo. Ay, di na ako mapaglaro mo.
If you hold me without hurting me, you give me first of everything. I'll be secret. Don't be be why? Be behind? Oh.
Ay, dito mo.
It's a prank niyo, bulak sa bahay.
Ito daw. Kinahin. Ulit. Tinibla kita.
What are you?
Ha? Inumin.
Oh,
What are you?
secret.
My heart.
Secret. Secret.
Sige. Alam mo naman. Hindi ko naman kaya mo.
Si Daichi mayabang porket nag-aircraft eh.
Okay, strike na rin ako. At wala ka ng laban. Sa bahay na wala palit na expand. Yeah, nalinis na namin yung option. Doon na kami na-expand. Galing po ako sa yan, yung question ko po. Christian.
Christian?
Sorry, but I have security. Oh, masarap to ha. Ano ba ngayon?
What are you?
Sabi mo? Like chili pro ko po.
Kukumba. Kukumba. Kukumba.
Cucumber.
Kukumba.
Yeah, wala pa rin kayo matigas free.
Isa prank, wala ako sa bahay.
Sorry. Okay.
Run, 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 run. Run for your life. Run for your life.
Yeah, put the money. You're paying money. Yeah, put money. All this is yummy.
Run for your life. Run for your life.
Bakit na siya? She's a woman. Diba? Well, let's disable combat. Yeah. You won't ever kill me again. I'm immune. Hindi daw siya kasama. Oh, sige, kaya na. Natanong daw kasi nila, kung ano yung universe dito, para hindi na ito alive. Sa logic ko, hindi ko na sa server. Ngayon, kumita na, dayat na siya. Well, kasi, ito na paano yung sexy dapat na. Sexy stuff.
Don't call me kid. Don't call me baby. Look at this. For a second.
Parang ano ni Rich.
What are you seeing? Sa bahay. Okay, that's all. Oh, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.